What's up guys, another video coming up. We're about to go head to the shop. I don't know why I said we, because it's just me. I'm heading to the shop. I'm gonna take the Kia and I'm gonna do a startup of the Mustang, I guess right now, because it hasn't been started in a while. But we're gonna go to the shop and put on the hitch on the Kia, and then also play with some trucks, like Josh's and Grant's like 6.0. I think I just want to like clean them up or something. I don't know, but I'll take videos of it and you guys check it out. Like and subscribe, that would be awesome. We're really trying to get this channel going. And the more you guys subscribe, the more you guys like, the more cool stuff we're gonna be doing and the more cool stuff we'll get. So please do that, thanks. Sadly, this is where this baby just sits. And we're not going to be taking it to the shop because, one, we got to put the hitch on the Kia, and it's supposed to rain later, so just keep this baby tucked away. Shake test. Is that good or not?
You got insurance?
Yeah, I got insurance. That's a good one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. Are these tight?
No.
Oh, we gotta torque them.
Yeah.
Oh, you got one of those?
Somewhere in the box is right there, but missing.
I got one in my trunk. Yeah, a little bit.
These worked up to the top of it.
Yeah, but you can't. It's not. It's in the back right.
We'll get her.
Yeah, we just got a little now. What are you gonna do? Get a ladder? I feel like that's more work. That is definitely more work.
I'll hop on your shoulder.
What do you think? It's more work?
Yeah.
It's just, then you just hit the button.
Hit the button.
What's wrong? Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. This really is gonna get me all the way. I got a big truck, bro.
Yeah. You can step on the top one. Do it all the time. There you go. Now we're talking.
Girl. Here you go. Let's check them out. Let's get them up on the old. Okay, I got to park in my spot. Yeah. You want to pick them up?
Yeah. It looks just like them.
I know, it's definitely.
He acts just like him.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be his
Chill.
dog. What are you wearing? You got work shirt now?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you mean we got work tomorrow?
Yeah, this one extends farther.
No. Puppy.
Cute.
How do you say it? Isn't it Balu?
I don't know. Is it?
I think it's Balu. Grant, how do you pronounce his name? Balu? Balu. Holy cow, he's really strong already. Okay, so we got the hitch in.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh no, he's not about it. You're not about it, aren't you? That's okay.
That part's not as dangerous.
Yeah. Nice. Ollie.
Oh my god.
Seriously though, where we going? I love Oliver sounds best, and I get shotgun.
I'll ride the quad.
Take the quad.
Don't worry about it.
Wow, it's like not even dirty in this truck.
Yeah. It's like you got you take care of this. Where's your words? Breath.
Come on. Oh, you believe it.
Is yours or mine?
I don't know where mine went. Actually, I think mine's in the shop.
I'm not sure. That's mine.
What are you doing now, Grant?
Taking this finger off. This canard.
Okay, let me hold it.
Go like that.
Oh, this thing sucks. Ow! Ow, you got my thumb. What a wuss.
There's probably a whole skin on it. I did not.
Yeah, it's
No.
see?
I genuinely blow it off my thumb before.
Gents, what's going on in here?
A little scrub.
Just a little scrub. Looking good, brother. Looking real good. You put some coolant in there?
Yep.
Nice.
Fixing them head gaskets.
Nothing new. A 7-tree. 7-tree?
Yep.
About that buy style? What's to be? Got that Ford Motorcraft.
Only the best. you know? And these great trucks. Uh-oh.
How many gallons you got in so far?
1. Well, 1.25. If you want to get exact.
I mean, 1.25.
5 quarts.
What'd you
like the stance?
like that stance?
Oh! I almost spilled
You just
there.
gonna send it? You gotta go rent sockets? Can you do that?
Not this way. Brennan, you want some diesel?
Oh, brother!
How do you like your diesel? All over you?
Did you do it? Oh, yeah.
That's how she goes.
Man, this thing's a rust bucket.
Yep.
Oh, God. I'm gonna change that filter out for you.
Oh, yeah? Where were you?
Man, you should have called me over.
I should have, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Is a new one going in?
Yep.
Nice, bud.
That,
Doesn't look like
that
you
other
got
one
any.
was dirty.
Was it really?
Oh.
Oh. So you're saying you turned the
Toast.
boost up now?
Oh, yeah, cranker.
Crank that boost.
You know, that stock Terpski.
You sweating a lot, or is that just diesel? Or you sweat
I'm
diesel?
sweating diesel now.
I just sweat diesel.
I'm a man. I don't sweat.
Sweat
I sweat
diesel.
diesel. That's what Josh says.
Yeah.
Jetson!
Is it righty tighty or lefty loosey?
Goosey. Aha! I got it.
Are you sure?
No. Stop moving.
Who are you saying to stop moving? You got some in your mouth?
Tastes good.
I heard it's good for you.
Drink that for breakfast. Once a day, they say.
Yeah. Get a teaspoon of diesel.
Good for you. Tricks. He's got tricks. Watch him, he's so good.
What's he up? Oh, is he doing tricks?
Yeah, he's a trickster.
Come on, gents. Ooh.
Oh! You ate it.
It's just because he said something too.
No.
How the frick does this turn?
A ratchet?
The wrong way. Wait.
Yeah, I got it. That's pretty cool.
It's all in my hair.
Oh. And what is this?
Engine.
That's your,
That's that there engine.
that's your turbine.
There's this big old Terpski.
Oh, man.
Jensen, how tight?
Just snug. Yeah, O-ring's got to seal it.
So.
I can't believe you did it that fast. That was quick.
He looked at him, he's all upset.
You can make it to work tomorrow.
Like here?
Oh, that was a good snap. Dude, just look at it. If the cap's all the way down, then that's good.
Well, these diesels warming up. Better start the Kia. Yeah, they warm up. I mean, alright guys, that's it for this video. So please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.